As summer season have beautiful home gardens with lots of bright blooms from various plants, it is obvious to wish to have colorful blooms for fall season too. This episode will explore top 12 plants that brighten up the home gardens for fall season. Asters. There are a variety of options from Asters family that shows different color blooms. Japanese daisy asters provide beautiful white blooms from late summer to till the frost. Hardiness zones are 4 to 8. Perfect for fall gardening to bring multicolor interest to landscaping. Vibrant Dome, New England Aster, shows mounds of hot pink flowers cover this big bushy plant that blooms well into frost-free autumn weather. Crystal Peak White Obedient. This is another perennial plant that blooms beautiful spikes-looking crystal white blooms from midsummer to early fall. It prefers full sun. Hardiness zones are 3 to 9. It grows 12 to 18 inches tall and 12 to 18 wide. Rudbeckia, commonly called as black-eyed Susan, a perfect perennial plant for summer and fall season. Starts blooming from midsummer to early fall. This long-blooming flower shows bright, golden yellow flowers with black centers and arched petals. It prefers full sun. Hardiness zones are 4 to 9, grows from 22 to 26 inches tall and 30 to 40 inches wide. Perfect perennial plant to mix up with other color plants to bring best multicolor appeal in landscaping. Mexican heather is a very tidy, compact shrub. Shows small, trumpet-shaped flowers bloom from summer to frost. Grows reaching up to 2 feet tall and 4 feet spread, best for containers, borders for multi-season interest. It prefers full sun to partial shade. Hardiness zones are 8 to 11, it can grow as annuals everywhere. It is easy to grow plant, works well for ground covering plant or for containers. ANISE hyssop. It is herbaceous perennial plant. It contains sweet fragrant leaves and provides spikes of vivid lavender blue bottlebrush blooms. Tall blooming starts from midsummer and lasts till the early fall season. Hardiness zones are 4 to 9, it grows 30 to 36 inches tall and 12 to 24 inches wide, a perfect perennial plant with fragrant leaves for back row in the garden bed. Autumn Joy is a popular upright perennial variety of StoneCrop. Autumn Joy features gray-green, rounded, succulent-like leaves. It blooms in the late summer to fall. This plant starts blooming in greenish-white tiny star-shaped flowers that grow in clusters across on top of the plant stems. After they bloom, these flowers slowly starts turning into pink by late summer, shows complete pink by early fall season. It is low-maintenance perennial, grows 16 to 24 tall and 18 to 24 wide. It prefers full sun. Hardiness zones are 4 to 9. Japanese anemone, a perennial plant that brings many variety of flowers into October and even November. Blooming starts from midsummer onwards, shows flowers come in tones of creamy to pure white and purple that last till the fall season. Ideal for light shade gardens, mixed in with flowering shrubs like azaleas and rhododendrons. Hardiness zones are 4 to 8, it grows 24 to 30 inches tall and 24 to 30 inches wide. Tall verbena, also known as verbena lollipop, is very low-maintenance fast-growing perennial plant with beautiful tiny rose-violet cluster flowers for long blooming season. Shows blooms around early summer to all the way to first front. It prefers full sun. Hardiness zones are 7 to 11, grows from 2 to 4 feet tall, 2 to 3 feet wide. Chrysanthemums, commonly known as mums, a perfect fall addition to home landscaping or front porch decoration. Mums comes in wide variety of color options from chrysanthemums family ranging from gold, yellow, bronze, red, burgundy, pink, purple and cream, white. Mums are perfect for containers during fall season. It prefers full sun, hardiness zones are 4 to 9, grows from 1 to 2 feet tall, and 1 to 2 feet wide. Snapdragon, it is an annual plant with long-lasting blooms. Blooms start in mid-spring till fall season. Snapdragons come in many varieties and sizes, from a few inches tall to spires approaching 4 feet. It prefers from full sun to partly shaded areas. Hardiness zones are 7 to 11 and grown as annuals everywhere. Blooms comes in white, yellow, pink, red and purple depending on variety. CALAMINTHA NEPETA, a bright charming perennial plant with a dense foliage mat with upright leafy flowering stems. Provides very fragrant tiny, tubular lilac to white flowers starting from mid-summer to fall season. It prefers full sun to partial shade. Hardiness zones are 5 to 7, it grows from 1 to 1.5 feet tall and wide. HELENIUM, commonly known as common sneezeweed, provides bright golden daisy-like flower heads for long time. Blooming starts from mid-summer to fall. It prefers full sun, grows from 2 to 3 feet tall and 1 to 2 feet spread. Hardiness zones are 3 to 8. A perfect addition to home garden to bring the feel of autumn season. I hope you likes the content of this video. Please do not forget to subscribe to House Talks. Have a great day.